Got a ticket to nowhere. Come and fly away with me tonight. Can you stay till the morning? Can you tell me that everything's alright? Lose my mind and I'm falling for you. I can't help but be in need of us two. Got a ticket to nowhere. When the fighting is over, it goes on and on and on and on. On and on and on. It goes on and on and on and on. On and on and on.
Good morning, guys. So today we are at Konoko Falls. We never plan it. We get lost again. Our theme fault.
I'm just a driver.
Our theme fault. So every time we go up on the road, we get lost. So we'll give you a little tour. We'll take some pictures and we budodoof, whatever. The restroom is here, right?
Yeah, on both sides. Do you even need a tour guide or are you just browsing?
We have to pay for a tour guide?
They're in the package or it's okay to take the guide.
The package that we just paid for?
So they're mainly for the garden to show you around to about local plants and all that. So we do have zookeepers at the zoo and there's lifeguards at the falls to assist with climbing.
No, we're not going on the falls at all. So we're just vlogging today. So we're mainly doing like the zoo and the garden. Yeah. So it would be good if we have a guide. But first we need to let out.
That's the first step. April. Ready? Yeah.
Hi, April. May I use the restroom, please? You get that?
Look here, you have to deal with me today. Are we alone you have? Alright, we need to let out too, bad.
Alright.
Hi, April.
Okay.
We have the garden over here. Over educational tour. We know me with the vibe in our board.
Alright, good. Let's
Excellent.
start off good already. So we're
Alright,
good.
guys, so this is April.
And this is me.
Is that vlog?
Yeah.
With a post?
Yeah. You look good,
You look
girl.
good.
You look
Don't worry
good.
yourself.
You look nice.
So, after the garden, we go to the mini zoo area. Right? To interact with animals over there.
You interact with the animals and we look at you interacting with the animals.
We work here. We see them every day. What you mean?
Alright, we're going to try and see. So this is my husband.
Right, yes.
And we're going to try and see if we can get him to put a snake around his neck.
I don't interact with snakes, sorry.
Wait.
Listen.
So hobby, hobby say,
Yeah.
we do them something there.
No,
We're going to work on it today.
that can't work. This is the exit, right?
Backside.
Yeah?
Turn around, quick. Come on.
You're also on the camera, girl.
Yeah.
Yes.
Outside.
Blessings.
Watch your step.
Alright.
And then after that, the waterfall. We're not going anywhere.
No.
So no come up here and
Look here, you see the waterfalls here, so we drown. We don't swim. I don't swim, you swim. But we're not swim today. If it's a lizard, you see, tell me. If it's a lizard, you see?
April, you have a long day ahead of you.
we look so.
Yep. But you look strong enough.
Maybe you're ready for it. Get a bigger group for the more people. You know one thing with Jamaicans? Why? I love my people, you know, but you know.
You know, we're decent Samaritans.
Only decent, yeah, that is true.
No, you don't look like you want to be.
Yeah, is there a restroom?
But you never said that's the restroom, did you?
This is the stop. We stop.
Oh, okay.
We didn't stop. Alright.
Still walk.
Me, her, let's go with it, buddy.
Listen, she travels.
Dead.
Yes.
She travels. I drive.
So when we're ready for travel overseas, where do you drive?
I'll fly the plane.
Someday.
No matter making pressure.
Your plane license, sir?
It's just buttons.
It's just buttons. It's just buttons.
Alright, so this place is actually stunning.
So the tour, start here.
Alright.
The cocoa tree. This is the fruit right here. This is where you get chocolate from.
Yeah, that's why I'm addicted. That's why I'm Hershey.
Didn't realize. Right.
Flies, but
And the separation of chocolate, you get cocoa butter and you get cocoa powder.
from chocolate?
Yeah,
Cocoa
man.
butter?
So chocolate, like every chocolate that you eat, has cocoa butter in there.
Oh,
It's the oil from
Okay.
the beans that are
I didn't know
inside.
that.
Right. And cocoa butter is also used, other than your hair skin, you can cook with it, it makes white chocolate. Yeah, that's why it tastes like that.
Oh,
Alright.
Can I give it a, like butter?
yeah.
Yeah.
Have this
Sweet butter.
smooth, sweet, buttery.
Iron.
Iron.
Lovely. Alright. To the garden villa.
So over here, we have the ringneck parakeet. Ringneck parakeet. And the male is the one that has the ring around it. Right? That's why you tell male from female in this type of species. Right? They have different colors. So we have the green ones over here. And on the way, we're gonna see some like yellow and blue birds, blue colors.
So can they speak?
The exhibition too?
You get trained in.
Okay.
Really?
Is this a part of the exhibition too?
Well, him just make web wherever him feel like.
Because I've never seen those in our town place, Kingston.
Girl, I'll be able to take
This is nice though.
Alright, so that's banana spider.
Oh,
Uncle used to have these.
Cockatiel.
You didn't realize you didn't do your family work up here. For some reason, when the egg no right, then show you.
really?
Yeah. You're not seeing right now. But then traumatize me. If I have a child, I will never. When me have a picnic, now get that birdie, I'm sorry.
That's so weird.
Exactly. It's like I saw like few videos like to back up my claim in the sense of like I even see like they abandon their babies sometimes.
Weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that.
Cockatiel.
Not the bird.
We not get you.
You're not a nice bird.
Not get you. We don't like you.
They're nice, you know. They mimic just the same like any.
I know my uncle had a few.
Yeah, but boy, I wouldn't recommend for kids. Yeah. No, you need to teach your kids empathy. They have fun.
They not even have sympathy. You gotta work well on a nice plate cockatiel.
We have the coffee tree
the coffee.
here, or the coffee plant. Alright, so this is the blossom. You got the blossom here. After the blossom come off and everything, after a while these parts they will turn the bean. Alright, you wait until the bean is red. Why take a long time? Not excuse. Take long. Alright, and after that when it's red, you depulp it, you wash it, you dry it, then you roast it, and then they beat it. Right?
So this is native to the Blue Mountain coffee?
Well, the type we have, Arabica, yeah, we grow this in the Blue Mountain.
Oh.
They also have it in Mandeville State. Anywhere that is
Cool.
cool area, yeah, because it's not supposed to be too much sun.
But yet
this type
still,
of coffee.
it's in a tropical country.
Yeah, not too much sun, you know, not too much.
Okay.
Not too much
candidate,
sun.
but, you know, not a lot, like direct heat.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, my son. Why that did that in son long time? He died. So what are we to the school compound? Yeah, man. So you can just call over the side the property like the river garden. Yeah.
So we need a face mask to pass here?
I don't pay that man.
Okay.
You just somebody to pay that man.
You know, like we had a whole heap of coins at home, and we feel like that until then.
My water.
Dishwashing liquid.
Alright, so they can live up to 50 years.
What?
50?
Yeah, man.
Each one?
If the bird will catch them first.
Alright.
Alright, so when I researched it, it said something about 25 to 35 years. But recently, I realized that they actually can even go to 100. And I Japanese people them talk about it. Right? They're the one that breed them more.
Yeah.
So the reason why they come about is a mutation of occurring carp.
Tell us how the fish them look funny, Jen.
Right,
Yeah.
mutation. So the colors, they start to take the ones that had the mutation in the colors, right, and crossbreed with the other one that had colors. So they're only bred for aesthetic purposes, right? The colors, you know, that's what they expensive thing. Aesthetics, money.
I love them.
But other than that, they actually represent the yin and yang in Japan. Right, so they're kind of like sacred. They're very sacred. I'm supposed to beat them either because they say 7 years of bad luck.
Really?
Well, after that you're supposed to good. So you just need to top out the 7 years.
Fall. Oh, the fall, this is a garden. So you're going to hit that side.
Oh, that's right.
Right? To go to the waterfall. Oh, yeah. But yeah. So a fish can actually cost over $1 million.
A what?
You kill all of the fish then you could have sent back. You know that?
No, losing me, but a fish can cost over $1 million to do what? The goldfish. I'm not talking about the regular goldfish.
Remember, say goldfish is the video, you know?
No, a goldfish. Like 24 karat, 14 karat goldfish.
Oh, that's what I mean. Well, maybe. Me don't know. But
No, coins are naturally them expensive. Them very expensive.
very expensive.
They tell me that these fishes can outlive humans. But nowadays a lot of
Depending.
will reach 50.
That is true. That is true. I mean, you have even the parrot them can outlive you. The macaws, they can live 85 years. Yeah.
Wow.
Right. Yeah. All the turtle them.
Turtles, yeah, turtle live long.
Outlive you.
So that's Adam and Eve's fault, right? Adam and Eve.
Well,
At the end of this.
And
just want, after a while, still, you know, they, in the Bible they said that persons live all 900 years and then something. If that one that all them walk on, you know, so you know, God give them grace and them body they that go on.
To God do the glory.
But now, it is said that the time we're in now, the most you're going to live to is 70 years. So that's a 310? Yeah.
3 square and 10.
70.
Yeah, 70.
Your math's good.
And then now when time, if you live past that, I got grace. Right.
So when I get God grace before 70?
No, it's not something enough.
That looks so.
So
Hey, them couldn't give me a better tour guide.
No, I best tour guide they get free phone right now. Right. But not too much one arm. But
Why?
yeah.
My God.
But yeah. All right.
Bella, are you feeling yourself? Oh, something in there. Oh, shoot.
Yes, and a pato is a different.
Oh, this is a patu.
No man.
This is all?
All? Alright, so yes. So native to the island as well, right? But we do have patus as well. Patus, they're insectivores, so they only eat insects. And these guys will eat baby chicks, even next owl, or baby owl still, but rats and them something there. Yeah, they're carnivores.
So that means a KFC and Burger King need a couple of these.
To do what?
Mind the people them sue you. Mind the people them sue you. Oh.
I don't need it said. I need the on camera. Alright, so over here we have the soursop tree.
Soursop.
I mean, here say that enough people never see them grow this big.
No, I've never seen it this big.
Not really.
Something going with the side of this one.
Oh, wow.
It's actually
Alright,
huge.
so we all know what we use the soursop for, to make drinks. Some people use it to make smoothies, ice cream, all the things them. Either milk or sugar and lime and sugar, whatever. Alright, but studies have shown that it's actually better to consume
The coke
the soursop
itself? As in the fruit?
if you have cancer and everything.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I think them say it's 10 times stronger than chemotherapy.
Right, that information, right? But it's also good for high blood pressure and diabetes. So like persons with those issues, that's one of the best foods to consume.
I think them say if you have nerve problems too, calm your nerves. Yep,
Yeah,
the leaves.
Make a tea from it. So if you cannot sleep, like insomnia, you have anxiety, it helps you to relax.
Don't look for me now.
Just that, man.
Don't look for me.
So it help with snoring too?
Is that right?
Alright, Pumpkin, let's go.
Let us get him back.
We all know what this is. Come. It's nice. Yeah, nice. I love it. Every time.
What is it?
Come on.
Oh, pimento. No?
So she don't know.
No, it's fine. She should know about like cornflakes and mac and cheese and steamed fish and them thing there.
Me I get him back. Don't worry about it.
She's very knowledgeable, you know, but not about pimento.
I don't like pimento.
You like it?
No.
It smells really nice, you know.
You for cook with? You're not going to find me cook with pimento.
Really? So, you just stay at it.
Oh.
Yeah, it smells really nice too.
It's not lie. I should have it and know just like. It just smells
It smells good. It smells really good.
And that's just the leaf.
Where's the plant?
The tree. Right. So the pimento is a part of the eucalyptus family.
Eucalyptus?
Yeah, eucalyptus.
And you don't like eucalyptus smell?
Yeah, man, it's eucalyptus.
Alright, go on.
Same family. I know that we use it in the jerk chicken,
Yeah.
rice and peas, anything. We cook, we can bake with it, etc. Even at Christmas time, you know, the sorrel drink. Right, extra one.
I want the Thanksgiving.
We celebrate
The turkey. Alright.
Thanksgiving and Christmas time. That time there?
Oh boy, what me carrying for? What me carrying for?
Look like me extract all of the smell. We can get the next one.
come request April.
Period.
April,
Period.
best tour guide.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
She's not giving us trouble yet.
Alright, so over here we have the Calabash, or
AKA Goody,
aka Paki.
What is Paki?
Yeah,
Calabash.
Calabash.
The band
or
under the
Paki.
clock. I don't have a clue about the from here.
When she talk about clock, she talk about the clock at half a tree. Yeah, literally.
True, true.
Well, let's say you're there.
Thank God.
So
Oh, you know them from here?
they use this to make like the maracas, little shaking to make
Yeah.
cups, bowls, that's how the restaurant uses that.
Yep.
Right. You can use it to make bra.
You have no fun.
No, you can't go to that. Don't worry. Right. Missy. Oh man, that tree here, the water kind of under it, you know?
Okay.
You not get all I need.
But they grow that big.
They go big, man. Like, huge. Sorry. Few people come here, not from Africa, and they say, oh, why is this tree so small and why them so small? Yeah. They get big, man. Look. Yeah, look, you show the numbers in the pen.
Yeah.
Alright, so behind you we have the cedar tree.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, man. So it's approximately over 200 years old. I feel like it's more though. Because we don't have cedar tree. And then it's tend to so thick. It don't grow. It's big enough?
Why does it feel like a rainforest?
Yeah, man. It gives that light. We use the rainforest.
The only place I see trees bigger than this is in Jungle Book. You watch it?
Jungle Book.
Mm-hmm.
You watch Disney? Ella?
Don't worry yourself.
Anyways, over here we have the rubber tree. It's more, you see those ones up here, it comes on run back. It's right at the camera. So
Is it considered littering if I drop the pimento leaf?
alright, so this is a type of banana.
A type of what?
Banana flowers banana family. So it's a variation of birds of paradise.
Yeah, we have this in the office.
Yeah, man.
Birds of Paradise? Cool.
So you have many different types. You have this one, you have that one over there.
Which one is called the shampoo?
Shampoo ginger?
Shampoo, yeah.
Well, let it pop up that. My nose not when I work at it, so
Oh no.
people when they come and Konoko Falls, I'm making them pop up the flowers. Then thank you. Right. So here they have an excess of banana flowers. Well, yeah.
I'm gonna lose that.
Don't worry about it. Over there, this is that one. Like literal banana flowers. That are like not the banana like plant. Might look like it. Yeah, but it's actually the flowers, right? The one at the bottom. Right. This one, smaller version. Anyway, anytime you go a river anyway, you'll always see something like this. Alright?
Very nice.
Right? Even the ginger then. Right? So this one is called hanging lobster flower, heliconia.
California, yeah. That's the name.
Yeah, heliconia. When you say heliconia, banana family right from.
Okay.
This one, rattlesnake heliconia.
Rattlesnake.
Or some people call it the beeswax heliconia as well.
I guess it look like both.
Yeah. And some people say it look like corn on the cob, but I just feel like they're
It
hungry.
look more like rattlesnake.
We just feel like they're hungry when they say corn. Hungry, them hungry.
Because it not really give me corn right now.
Nah, give me corn.
No.
You know, ginger leaves. Yeah, man. They have a really nice fragrance to them. Pink, red. I think in Hawaii they have it in yellow. I don't remember which one of these they don't have, but they have the yellow to it.
Oh.
Alright, this is another type of banana. Alright, you see with the banana them now? They tend to catch water on the inside. So you see the birds of paradise, you see? The only one that don't catch water is, the typical banana that we eat. The one that hangs over because you know have no little pocket to catch water. This one, which is they call it ice belly pony.
My goodness.
Yeah, man. So me know we adventurous as Jamaicans, but we're not gonna do certain things. But if for some reason, no this to the white people. Right? If you turn on Oreo for some reason, and you lost now forest for some reason, this is where you can drink.
Oh,
I hope say not come to that. But just press on rainforest, you lost now, even though a lot of poisonous things tend to be in rainforests. Not here, don't worry. Yeah. Jamaica really.
So I'm gonna drink from that if I have water like.
If you don't have water, if you
Okay.
What? None of the year.
Alright.
But other than that, we're not really worried about nothing, right? But if you so happen, yeah. Water.
Similar
It's
to
not really
cactus.
good to drink water from rivers.
Bacteria.
The only way you can do that is unless you filter it. You have to get sand, you get stone, you have one bucket. I'm not sure if you got one bucket.
So pretty much you tell me say, anyway me take it I go dead. Cause by the time I gather the sand, the bottle, the stone.
Oh, you were thirsty.
Yeah.
But it's mine though, right? But on a normal day, we don't really drink water as often, But for some reason, when time you try to survive, you're always thirsty. Yeah. True. Something is wrong. So you go through all the food you're supposed to stretch in a one day. And that's how you're dead. I am panic. Yeah. Yeah. Boy, yeah. We survive our whole day. By the end of the day, we probably have a little headaches. Drink water we're supposed to drink. We probably are drinking juice. People drink the water.
Very important.
Very important.
Water.
The body, 70% water. Alright, and to use up all of the water, when you're gonna drink, that's why you have a headache. Right. But you know,
drink up in the water.
Drink up on the water, people.
yeah. So this is another one. Let's make that one. See? The water.
Oh, I know this.
So this is a type of ginger. You can't believe some of the people with ginger already. And they might do some little slide come up behind me and I laugh. It's like it's green or something. Yeah. It's an acquired smell.
It don't smell bad.
It don't smell bad, but it don't smell
Good.
yeah.
It's not bad.
Says the person that don't like pimento. It's spicy right now. I'm gonna ask them.
Funny enough, the pimento smell and the ginger smell from the finger. It don't smell bad. True, it don't smell bad.
It kind of funky. It kind of funky. I like football socks.
It not, oh God.
Honestly, for me, the first time I smell it, I really like it. Like over a period of time though, I kind of like it.
You get tricked.
Give me.
I'm gonna get tricked.
Your brain trick your
No,
nose.
man, the brain don't trick me.
Your nose trick your brain.
No man. May I tell you? May I tell you? May I tell you?
Go on. Go on.
Oh, the problem with this thing.
No anti-facing. See, I'm not to sneak in the corner. Water. Yes.
Wow. I can see it.
Just a squeeze or a take care of.
Let the seed start with a little something here. You see when you do that little something here, so it will sting. You pick up all of the smell centennial. Wait. One, no, 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 national tree. Walk up quick door.
Shall I ask you a question, sir?
Forrest, where is it?
What is it?
The Bloomer Hole.
You didn't know that?
Yeah. We do enough project for our daughter. We have to know it.
Okay.
Flower link
We have-
variety.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yep, you're welcome.
Alright, so the national tree is over there. See? Over on it. Wait for it. Right here. Can I hang over? Look at this.
Oh,
Can the fluffy one on
Yeah.
the top? Yeah.
the curved one?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Okay.
Another one is right there. It had to grow like that because it fight for sun. So the bloomer hoe is actually a part of the hibiscus family.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So when it's certain time of the year, it blooms the flowers and the flower change 3 colors in the day. Like not in the day per se, but in a day.
But, yeah.
So yellow, orange, red. Then it falls on the ground or in the water. Yeah, man. 3 color.
Yellow, orange, red.
Yeah.
Something for the Rasta.
Rasta, I'm just about to say it, you know.
I love birds. That's what I call them lovebirds.
Well, this kind of look like parrots.
Parakeet.
Ah.
Parakeet. Smallest member of that family. They're from Australia. Alright. One bird can lay a good amount of eggs. Like up to 8. Yes. There's a reason why we have so many.
This is the bird can lay like 8 eggs.
Not one time. Probably and probably in the space of period, like maybe like 4 years,
Oh.
4 later.
Oh.
But
Yeah.
in
That's
the
a lot for a
span,
bird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And after hatching, 6 months later, their body is somewhat mature enough to lay eggs. But they recommend if you have them as pets, 1 year.
Oh.
Yeah.
Kind of noisy though, but
Yeah. Yeah.
Them cute. I wouldn't have one as a pet, but them cute.
have to get them in pairs or more.
Let me get the purse.
Huh?
Let me get the purse.
Yeah, man.
That always happens. Yeah.
Yeah. Or, alright, technically they consider you as a mate. Alright, and remember, they kind of each up on each other. They always have each other covered.
Yes, okay.
Right? So, if you not there, the bird stop eat. The maga down and he's dead.
They must have stress.
Very much so. Then get depressed. Right. So they recommend pairs or more. And when
like me and you.
pair,
Me and you are budgies.
like I get 3 of them and one day just press and I make the next one.
Oh snap.
And that one they dead and then this one they dead because you know no company.
How you know the female and the male different?
Usually the female, you say we can find one. And 2 of them. One right here. See the yellow beak?
Yeah.
Fat stomach.
Not the fat stomach. Move the man. Left the lady stomach. So the one right here with the yellow beak, yeah, that's the female. Sometimes the female have a little bit of the pattern of the male, right? But most of the males, they have like the look, you see the color on the wing, like it's extra bright, and the blue beak, and like the extra dots on the side.
Yeah.
You know, the females also look a bit more refined though.
Yeah, they're smaller, like more
But the skull,
sleek.
feathers, but more.
Yeah, sleek, like yeah. And yeah, they're a bit smaller. So a bit smaller as well. Yeah, see, one is female, you can just tell. So we've got the feather.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're fighting going in there more well. Birdie mother all karate, man. They're kicking.
Deer skin.
Spring water.
Spring water.
Yeah, man, you can. It's cool.
It's about river water again.
Yeah. Come on, you can drink. Yeah, there's a filtering station right there. It's treatment station right over there. It's nice, huh? Yeah, man. No little bitterness.
Full of iron though.
Full of iron though.
Yeah, it's full of iron. It's full of minerals. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah. No little chlorine or nothing nice.
This water is used to do anything.
It doesn't need to do anything. Drink. Alright, so can use to do it. I said we didn't have any little chlorine now. Right, that's all.
Yeah, that's the white.
White. It's just, normal moss and rust and
Wow.